What is going on, peeps? Okay, real quick, man. Tonight I'm just sitting here and I'm watching the gold and silver market. And I thought I'm just going to do a quick little video because I want to point something out. And that is, this is why I tell you guys, when you're investing in any investment, no matter what it is, you cannot get emotionally attached to your investment. You should only be using money that you consider to be discretionary. Do you understand what I'm saying? So when it comes to gold and silver, they do go up and down a lot. And they did drop down a little bit and people started panicking. And what did I tell you? I told you guys don't panic. Buy on the dip, buy on the drop. I was telling you that for a reason because I know what the market does. Look, I'm not an expert. Everything that I tell you is my own personal opinion. I'm not a tax lawyer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just somebody who pays attention to what's going on and I share my opinion with you. And I told you that even though we see a drop, and even if we did see another huge drop, not to panic, to just hang on. I used a funny analogy of bodacious, the bull. I think it's the bull. It's the only bull. It's never ever been ridden the full 8 seconds. And I just said, look, we're holding on to the rope, spurs in the air, 6.5 seconds into an 8 second ride. All right, but it was for a reason. All right, because we're going to get into something. I'm going to show you something here in a minute. Again, if you are considering buying some precious metals, please give our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange a consideration if you're here in the United States. The link is in the description. And if you buy more than $100 worth of precious metals, please use promo code Pimpy, Pimpy, and get a free half ounce of silver. We have Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's the same name as the YouTube channel. In here, we talk about investment opportunities, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency investments. No politics. You guys insist on bringing politics in here. I'm going to have to start removing people. This is talking about investments. Just come over here. It's real simple. We have a second group called the Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. You can talk about politics in here. NESARA, Gesara, current events, things that people consider to be a conspiracy like QAnon, although I don't. I like QAnon a lot. I do have a Twitter account finally. Yes, yes, I do. The link to my Twitter account will be in the description, as well as for the two Facebook groups, as well as to if you want to go buy precious metals, as well as if you're thinking about buying cryptocurrencies, the link is in the description. I got you covered. I got you covered. Anyways, let me show you what I've been watching. Lo and behold, looky here. Didn't I tell you that gold was going to get back up to 2,000 fairly quick? It was above it. It was doing good. We saw a drop. People panicked. I said, don't panic. Most of you people listen. I'm hoping that all of you listened. Look at this. It is now, let's see here, 10:15 California time, p.m. in the night. And after hours, gold and silver are both running again. Look how close gold is to 2,000. So let's see if there isn't some kind of weird correction that happens in the morning. It depends on the markets around the world. But for the most part, by the time we wake up in the morning, my guess is, you know what? You're going to see gold at $2,000. All right. Silver is, look at this. It's about to pass up $29. Then I tell you, it always outperforms gold. It's like the spastic kid on sugar. That's what it is. Look at that. Silver is about to pass $29 again. So we're looking at silver at $29. So the money for some of us who got into this when we first were talking, and some of you guys bought when they were high, that's okay. I said, no big deal. I said, buy on the dip. Why is that? If you do a cost average, then it works itself out as far as how much you spent on your precious metals. All right, look at this. Silver about to break $29 an hour, or $29 an hour, $29 an ounce again. Again, didn't I tell you it's going to slingshot right back up? Look at gold, $1,994. I haven't refreshed it. Watch it go down. Did it? And drum roll, please. Okay, what do we got? Oh, it did. It went up $1. So $1,995. Not bad. And silver above $29. Congratulations, people. I told you you were way ahead of the curve. I wasn't lying. We started talking about this a long time ago. All right? For most of you, you guys, we talked about this, and a lot of you jumped all over precious metals when it was much cheaper than this. So you're benefiting big time. This is why I do what I do. Don't get me wrong, I have my own investments, and as they go up, I benefit from that. But I keep telling you guys, the biggest reward I could possibly have is knowing that something that I suggested, people listen to, and their lives are a lot better because of it. All right, so no panicking, even if it goes down again, but I have a feeling we're going to see some steady climbs now for a little while. It's going to start climbing back up. I'm expecting to see silver get up to around $31 within the next few days, maybe a little higher. We are going to see gold get above $2,000. Hang tight. All right, I told you guys this was a great opportunity for us. And just like that, in the after hours, we are rocking and rolling all over again. Just that quickly. I want to talk about cryptocurrencies. What's going on with them? They are climbing as well. But here's the weird thing. I'm looking at the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Russell, all going in a positive direction, along with gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies. This is a no-no. Something's wrong. I can tell you what it is. Gold, silver, cryptocurrencies are on a natural climb. The stock market is being artificially pumped. Look at Ethereum at 446.18. Stanky Link, Chainlink, that's my other ones. So I pushed all my cryptocurrencies investments into just two. I'm now just in Ethereum and in Chainlink, only because Chainlink has been performing outstanding. I showed everybody this. I'm going to pull up them charts. Look at this. Let's do 1 month chart maybe. That's what 6 month chart. So 6 month chart. Look at this. So back in March, they dropped down to $1.78. That's where Chainlink was. And it stayed fairly much there for a little bit. And then it got to around July. And then that sucker took off. I told you I'm not a big fan of cryptocurrencies, but I do believe there's a window of opportunity in which we could really benefit from it. And because of that is why I'm in it. Right now, I got most all my money into Chainlink as well as Ethereum. So even when the other ones were doing a market correction and they were in the red, Chainlink was still in the green and climbing. Look at it now, $446.34. Let's see if they continue on this path. I heard the job numbers came out, and another 1 million people have applied for unemployment. I hope those numbers already came out, and I hope the market has already reacted to it, because if that's the case, then we're going to see a steady climb continue, and that's what I'm watching for. All right, you guys, so that's where we are right now. Look it. I'm showing you. Again, this is why when we talk about cryptocurrencies, the link is in the description. What you do, just like gold and silver, invest your money, leave it alone. I'll watch the markets. I'll let you know what's up. If you start watching them every day, you're going to drive yourself crazy. I'm sure some of you people by now have gotten bald spots. Sorry, I'm only kidding. The point being, look, I'm just showing you. Now, again, it's nighttime. So this is reacting to the overseas market, which is very, very interesting. Look at all the markets are in the green. Gold, silver is in the green. Cryptocurrencies are in the green. Something's wrong. And what's wrong is the stock market. I don't trust it. All right. So continue stacking. Hopefully, you guys, when it was low enough and you guys bought and added to it. When I told you buy on a dip, you bought on a dip. And so everything averages out because they're starting to go back up again. And that's what we are watching for. All right, my friends, look, I keep telling you, we're all in the same boat. We're all trying to achieve the same goals. We just need to paddle in the same direction and stop looking back. So there you have it. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this real quick because I've been watching it climb up, climb up, climb up. And I'm like, there we go. So gold back at $1,995. Silver is above $29 so far. Cryptocurrencies are on a mini run again, and they're going to continue to climb. I want to remind you real quick, if again you are considering getting into precious metals, please give our friends over there at Money Metals Exchange a consideration. The link is in the description. If you buy more than $100 worth of precious metals, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and get a free ½ ounce of silver. All right? Come on, you guys, it's free. You can't beat that. In addition to that, what I want to say is if you're considering buying cryptocurrencies, because everybody goes, where should I buy? The link is in the description. We are at a very unique time in history, to be quite honest with you, where not only will gold and silver preserve your wealth, but it actually could add to people's wealth. And I'm happy about that. And I have a feeling we are all ahead of the curve. We haven't even seen a mad rush to it yet. But anyways, I just wanted to share this with you, and I'll catch you guys later.